All right, here I have a 2024 Mazda CX-30 with a 2.5 liter engine, and I'm gonna show how a quick rundown how to do the oil change. You have your oil fill cap right there, and next to it is a dipstick, so it's super easy. At the bottom here, you have a cover, which is held in by two 8mm bolts, and that covers the drain plug and the oil filter. And then when you take it off, this is what it looks like. The drain plug is a 17mm. And then right next to it is your oil filter, so they make it very easy for this oil change. And then for your drain plug, you want to put a new gasket, and then you want to torque it to 23 to 30 foot-pounds. And then if you want to get a Mazda oil filter, I think the part number is not K3804. I think it's this one right here, PE0114302B. And it does take 0W20. I usually use full synthetic. And then on this one, you want to use 4.8 quarts of oil. And then to reset your oil life, you want to press this home button right here. All right, and then you want to scroll to information, click the middle button, and then scroll down to vehicle status, scroll down to vehicle maintenance settings, and then scroll down to reset oil change distance, and then scroll up to reset, and that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.